The class teacher has asked the students to create a list of a few fastest birds and animals on land, water and air. Type the list in Microsoft Excel and format it so that it can be put up on the class notice board. Also write the steps you take. To begin with, write the list of fastest animals and their categories in column A. In column B, write the names of the birds and the animals, and in column C, write the corresponding speeds. To align the row headers, select the cells A1 to C1. Click Merge and Center in the Alignment group on the Home tab. Next, select the cells A2 to A4. Click Merge and Center in the Alignment group on the Home tab. Next, select the cells A5 to A6. Click Merge and Center in the Alignment group on the Home tab. Select the cells A7 to A9. Click Merge and Center in the Alignment group on the Home tab. And finally, select cell range A2 to A7. In the Alignment group on the Home tab, click Middle Align. Let us take a quick quiz here. Which of the following options is not available in the Alignment group on the Home tab? Well done! That's the correct answer. Now select cell range A2 to C9. In the Font group on the Home tab, click the arrow next to Font and select Arial. Click the arrow next to Font Size and select 14. Manually adjust the column width if necessary. Select cell A1. In the Font group on the Home tab, click the arrow next to Font and select Arial. Click the arrow next to Font Size and select 18. Click the Bold button. Click the arrow next to Font Color and select Red. Click the arrow next to Fill Color and select Gray. Now select the cell range A2 to C4. Click the arrow next to Fill Color and select Blue. Similarly, select the appropriate fill color for cell ranges A5 to C6 and A7 to C9. Select the cell range A1 to C9. Click the arrow next to the Borders drop-down button in the Font group on the Home tab and select All Borders. Borders will appear around all the cells. The final formatted worksheet will appear as shown here. In the end, answer this question. In which command group on the Home tab will you find the Borders drop-down button? Great, that's the correct answer. That's all in this session, kids. See you later.